Still using sticky notes, random docs, or 5 different apps just to stay organized? Let me show you how to manage your entire life or work, from tasks to goals to content, in one free app. This is Notion for absolute beginners, and in 5 minutes, you'll go from "what is this" to "why didn't I start sooner?" Notion is like a digital Lego set. You build your own dashboards using blocks, like text, checklists, images, databases, and more. Whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or business owner, you can customize Notion to fit your life. Let's build your first Notion page together. Click plus new page on the left. Give it a title, say My Life Hub. Now you can start adding blocks. Type to open the menu. Try typing /to-do and boom, you've got a to-do list. Need a calendar? Type /calendar and embed a full schedule. It's that easy. Notion gives you free templates so you don't start from scratch. Click on Templates in the sidebar and you'll find setups for everything. Task managers, content planners, habit trackers. Pick one, duplicate it, and make it yours. Create separate pages for work, personal, school, etc. You can link them inside each other, like a digital notebook. Try this. Type, and link to another page. That's how you create your own dashboard without coding anything. Add icons and covers to make pages fun. Use /toggle to hide clutter. Use callouts to highlight important notes. These tiny tricks make your Notion feel like a productivity command center. Here's how I use Notion daily. Plan my content calendar. Track goals and habits. Store all my notes, projects, and life plans. Once you set it up, it replaces 5 other apps. That's your 5-minute crash course to Notion, but this is just the beginning. Want my beginner-friendly Notion template to get started fast? Grab the free link in the description. Like this video if you learned something, and comment "more Notion" if you want deeper tutorials like building a second brain, content system, or habit tracker. Don't just download Notion, own it.